G'day gang, it's flooding everywhere and down in Brisbane, up here in North Queensland. It's just wet. The wet season is well and truly here. Check out where the water came to last night. See that? Up there on the road. And there's the water right there. It's not that far from the road, see? Damn, it's a wet season. So check out the water coming over here, guys. Isn't that just unreal? And as you saw, it's right next to the road. This is coming out of the park after last night's 100 mil or so. Normally where you see that water tumbling over, that's actually to stop water going the other way, because the tide when it's high can come right up to that point. So it's to stop seawater going into the park, but now it's pouring out of the park. Unfreaking real. How is that, guys? It's a freaking amazing. So gang, this is normally a lake, right? So you can see that this isn't all flood water. But check out those trees. They're normally in the grass on the edge of the lake. And if you look over here, can you see that bridge? It's like a bridge to nowhere. It's that bridge goes over a drain that actually where the water normally comes out of the lake, but it's kind of like yeah, well and truly underwater. Bloody insane it is. Well, the sun's even out, would you believe? But don't let that fool you. Check this out. This is one of the main roads leading out of town. Goes through an industrial area, so thousands and thousands of cars and trucks go across this. I used to do it myself every day when I worked out there. But jeez, it's called Blakey's Crossing. It always goes over, and the bloody government won't do anything about building it up. So it's kind of like a swampy area, you can probably see, but yeah, the water's just, that's just a freaking joke. What do you reckon? Would you be happy if one of your main roads was flooded like that every time it rained? Stuff that. Well guys, that was some of the water from Townsville, but she's a cracker of a day as well after this rain's gone. Check out this. Isn't that just a superb view? On the top of Castle Hill, of course. And that is Magnetic Island. Wow. Look how green everything is. Beautiful. The water pooling down there. Awesome day. I love it after the rain, don't you?